Today I'm making a simple graham cracker crust, and this is my step-by-step guide. I make cheesecakes all the time, so I decided to show you my process on how I prepare and make the graham cracker crust. You're going to need a food processor of some sort. I have had many, but this 20-year-old food processor is still standing. Load it up with graham crackers of your choice and grind them to a fine consistency. Oh, and before I forget, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I'm measuring the crumbs to show you how much one sleeve of crackers produce. We have 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons from one sleeve. I like using an airtight container to store my crumbs in. So I'm just going to continue grinding my crackers, and I will see you guys in a minute. A simple graham cracker crust only takes 3 ingredients: graham cracker crumbs, granulated sugar, and melted butter. I always like to start by cutting my butter into pats for easy melting, and I'm making enough for 3 cheesecakes. For this amount of butter, I'm going to place it in my microwave for about 1 minute or until it's melted. Let's work on the crumbs. In a mixing bowl, we are going to combine the remaining 2 ingredients. Remember, I am making enough for 3 cheesecakes. Therefore, I'm using 4 cups of crumbs and 4 1/4 cups of sugar, which is 1 cup. Give it a good mix to incorporate the 2. Then carefully get the melted butter, mix it well to ensure it's free of any solid pieces. Add it to your crumbs and sugar and mix thoroughly until the crumbs are evenly coated with the melted butter. I like to go ahead and go in with my hands. It makes the process much easier, in my opinion. The mixture should have a consistency of wet sand, just like this. Now I'm going to transfer the mixture into a 9-inch springform pan. Use your hands to press the mixture firmly into the bottom of the pan and up the sides, if you like it that way. And you might need a little bit more of the crust if you like for your crust to go all the way up the sides. But I like mine just a piece of the way up. But to your discretion. Okay, at this point, if you're using the crust for a no-bake recipe, go ahead and place it into the 350 degrees oven for about 10 minutes or until it's golden brown. Remember to let your crust cool completely before adding your product to it. However, in my case, I am baking my cheesecakes, so no need to pre-bake. Just fill them with your delicious filling and you're all set. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video on how I make my simple homemade graham cracker crust to use with your delicious pies, cheesecakes, or other desserts. If so, give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And remember, life is good when you keep it simple. See you on the next one. Bye for now.